What's up, team? It's Tiarrea B naturally, and in today's video I am excited to show you this beauty. Oh my god, this has to be the start of the show for tonight. I did a pour paint session with myself and my children, and my god, this one turned out stunning, absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy that I decided to try it one more time because I had already did a few tonight and I wasn't quite loving them, but this one right here, look at this. Oh my god, even the negative space here, the white, it does so much for me. Like I love it with the little black, almost look like leaves here, and then this little trail of just yellow going all through, bringing it all together. And then this blue, oh man, this blue is so pretty. So pretty. I think it's like a metallic blue. And then it's all blended in together. And then this yellow, of course, it brings that extra pop needed here. And when you mix that black, white, and yellow and that blue, oh my god, that turned out so good. So good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is it just me or is this a beauty? Alright, that's all I wanted to show you for today. Listen, I'm Tiarrea B and I am out. Blessings!